What's going on in here? What's up, YouTube? How's it going? My name's Justin from Party Rental Knowledge. If you don't know, I help teach people in the bounce house world tips and tricks in the industry. Teach them about bounce houses, teach them about tents, teach them about yard signs, all kinds of weird stuff. Anything that's going to help you make money through entertaining somebody else for the most part. Even teach you a little bit how to make money from other people entertaining people. There's a lot to learn in this industry. It's a pretty fun industry. It's an entertaining industry. It's a rewarding industry, but it's a brutal industry. There's a lot to remember. There's a lot you can do. You have a lot of options. You can make a lot of mistakes while you're on the way too. So I try to eliminate you from making those mistakes. That's why I have this channel. I've been in the party industry my entire life. I grew up in the carnival, and then I worked for major companies across the U.S., some local here in Buffalo. Then I decided to start my own, and I love it. I don't think I'm ever going to stop. So figured I'd talk to you about the channel, what I'm trying to bring to you. So first things first, this channel isn't just about bounce houses. It's a party rental channel. The channel's Party Rental Knowledge. I want to teach you anything that can go into a party rental company. There's so many options and so many different variables. You can have yard signs as an add-on. You can have yard signs as a company. Bounce houses as an add-on. Bounce houses as a company. Tents as an add-on. Tents as a company. Concessions for each one of those. You can do all kinds of things in this industry and rent all sorts of types of items. And there's all different levels of this company. There's two main people that get into this industry. You either A, were taught some of this stuff and got a job doing this and decided to do it for yourself, or B, you were an entrepreneur in business and you started looking at the profits and how the profit margins and how much money you can really make in this industry. So the first person doesn't know anything about business, and the second person doesn't know anything about operating a bounce house business or a tent company or a party rental business. They don't understand the little nuances, and that's what they need to learn. So I'm trying to bring value for both. I want to show you guys how to run a business. I want to show you guys how to build a business and operate a business in this party rental industry. That's the goal for the channel. So you might be thinking, well, how much does it cost to learn all this information, Justin? What's it going to cost me to learn how to get into the bounce house game? Well, it's free. Come right over here, look at all these videos and figure it out for the most part. Come look at all the stuff that I teach you. Listen carefully. I have a Facebook group with a whole bunch of members in it right now. The link is in the description. You can ask them a bunch of information. They're going to show you a bunch of pictures, and you can chat with them in that group. And then I also about to have a website coming. So there's going to be a bunch of information on there for free as well. There's a lot of things coming for this channel, and hope you guys are along for the ride. So like and subscribe. But you might ask, what am I really going to do on this channel to teach you people? Well, industry interviews. A lot of interviews with major manufacturers, software companies, anything to do with the party rental industry. I'm going to try and have experts in their field talk to you. And on top of that, how-to videos, and then product reviews. There's a lot of things coming for the channel. Lots of information. Maybe it's too much information. Maybe I'm going overboard, but I don't care. I'm going to have it documented. I'm going to document the growth of my company. I'm going to have fun. I love making videos. I love teaching you people, and I love helping everyone for the most part. So like and subscribe, join the Facebook group, and stay tuned for that website, everybody.